question is from GATE 2016 Mechanical Engineering paper set 2, question number 22. The welding process which uses a blanket of fusible granular flux is option A, tungsten inert gas welding, option B, submerged arc welding, option C, electroslag welding, or option D, thermite welding. Let's find out. So as the name suggests, for submerged arc welding, it's the type of welding in which the workpiece and the arc zone both are submerged inside a blanket of powdered flux. The workpiece and arc zone are submerged under a blanket of powdered flux, powdered granular flux. And why this is done? First thing, it generates protective gas shield and protects the weld zone. And the second thing that is achieved here because of this submergence is that we can add other alloys to this weld pool. So this is the reason why the name submerged arc welding is itself given to this type of welding. Let's go back and mark the correct option. The welding process which uses a blanket of fusible granular flux is option B, submerged arc welding. To learn about the basics of submerged arc welding, you can refer to the NPTEL video lecture 23 submerged arc welding. It's from the course Fundamental of Welding Science and Technology. The course is taught by Dr. Pankaj Biswas. He is from Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Guwahati. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.